Today we are making sourdough pretzels. Start off with 3 cups of unbleached bread flour. Then add 227 grams of sourdough discard. Next, a 1/4 cup of dry milk, 3/4 cup of unchlorinated water, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1½ teaspoons of salt. I like to use Celtic salt, and 2 teaspoons of instant yeast. I first use the paddle attachment to mix all of the ingredients. Then I switch to the dough hook until the dough has become soft and no longer shaggy. Dampen a rag and place it over your bowl and let the dough rest for 45 minutes. You're not looking for a big rise, just a very minimal rise. Let your oven be preheating to 350, then grease your work surface and turn out your dough onto your work surface. Fold your dough a few times to allow it to deflate. Then you want to divide your dough into 12 equal pieces. This will be about 2 1/4 to 2½ ounces per dough ball. Take each dough ball and roll it into 18-inch ropes. Then comes the fun part, trying to remember how to make a pretzel shape. To make the pretzel malt, take 1 tablespoon of sugar and mix it with 2 tablespoons of unchlorinated water. Then brush this mixture over each of the pretzels. Then right before you put them in the oven, sprinkle them with salt. Then it's time to put them in the oven. You're going to bake them for about 25 to 30 minutes until they're a light golden brown. And finally, just brush them with melted butter and you have the perfect sourdough pretzels. I hope you enjoy these pretzels as much as I did. For an added bonus, grab some mustard and add it to your pretzel. See you next time.